Guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be doing a really quick and easy, beginner friendly, springy kind of floral design. So I think we're going to be doing a tulip design today. So the first two tips is the thumb and the middle nail. I'm going to give them a full coat of Varnail's white stamping gel. Because I've not got their white gel polish, I'm going to use the stamping gel, which you can use as a gel polish. It's lovely and opaque as well. So I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. Then on the other three tips, I'm going to be using Varnail's solid gel polish, colour number 29 Gel Pink. I'm also using the Varnail oval gel brush as well. It's a really nice brush this is. Give that a cure. Give that a cure. Right, so that's the base colours all applied and fully cured. Now, on these two white nails, I want to give them a little bit of something else. So I'm going to go over them with the Varnail PS03 in colour Mint, which is a pearl shell texture gel. These are so pretty, guys. If you've not seen my previous Varnail March mystery box swatch video, then you need to head over and watch that because there's some beautiful gels in there. It's a really smart box. So yeah, I'm going to go over the whites with this pearl shell texture gel. And I'm also going to do a little white circle. I don't want this to be a proper circle. I want it to be quite irregular. I want it to be more of an oval really than a circle. Right, just like that. Perfect. Guys, look at this colour. Look at that. It's beautiful. And it looks so nice over a white as well. Give that a cure. Look at that colour, guys. It's so pretty. Give that a cure. And then I want to do the same on this white area as well. I want to give it that kind of shell effect. Like that. You see that? It gives it a kind of shell effect. Give that a cure. Right, so on the thumbnail, I want to do a little tulip design using some of these sequins. So I'm just working out which is going to be the closest colour match. I'm going to go with the brighter pink. So I'm going to apply a thin coat of Varnail's base coat. It only needs to be a nice thin layer, just to stick those sequins into. Like that. So I'm going to cure those in place for now. Like that, give that a cure. So now I've pulled out these 5D stickers, which are also out of the Varnail March mystery box. And I just want to use some of the leaves. So now I've pulled out this watercolour palette, again, which was out of the Varnail March mystery box. And I really want to use this green to just do some little stalks. Yeah, I think I'm going to go over this with a matte top coat first. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So I'm just going to let that air dry. So that's where we've got to so far. I'm going to give them all a top coat now. So I'm going to be using the Varnail Tempered Top Coat, which is their shiny top coat. It's so glossy, guys. This is a beautiful top coat.
Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just be in your songs, alright.
Feel that?
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
They've all been top coated. Now I'm going to be using some gem glue. I'm just going to put a little bit in the middle of that circle, like that. I'm also going to be using some of the Varnail Mirror Metallic Gel colour M02 in silver. Wait until you see this, guys. This is like liquid chrome. It's beautiful. And I'm just going to go around the outside. Of this oval. I want it to be quite rough. I don't want it to be neat. Then, just before I cure that, I'm going to stick this little charm just there, like that. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Pop a little bit there, and a little bit there. And then into that, I'm sticking some of them gorgeous glass green pips, what come in the Varnail mystery box. Then cure those. I'm going to pop a little bit of gem glue just on this leaf. And then into that, I'm sticking some clear glass crystals, teeny tiny ones. And then I'm just going to fill the gaps with really small silver caviar beads. Now, I don't want to do this on every leaf. I only want to do it on 1 or 2. Just to give it just a little bit of extra something, that's all. Then once I've got them all in place, I should pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. There we are, guys. That is them all finished. What do you think? Considering I don't do floral nails, I actually quite like them. I love those little, see the little pips, the little green pips what I've used as leaves. Look how shiny they are, guys. Such good quality. I really like that charm as well. And the colour of that pearl shell texture gel is just stunning, isn't it? Especially over a white. Yeah, I like them. I think they're really cute. So everything that I've used today, guys, I shall leave listed in my description box below. I've also got a 25% off Varnail discount code, which you'll see is in the top right hand corner of the screen, GG30. Don't forget to pop that in at checkout. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Nice, quick gel polish design with a little bit of bling. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.